Hello champs! How are you? I hope you are all well. Alam niyo mga kapatid, kung meron mang pagkakataon sa buhay mo na naiisip mo that you are not deserving of good life, sana babaguhin mo yung ganyan thinking because you really deserve to have a beautiful life. Yan yung plano sa atin ni God. It's just that the reason why we're feeling that way sometimes is because we made mistakes. Nagkamali tayo. Nagkaroon tayo ng pagkukulang sa mga decisions natin, sa mga actions natin. So, it's not late for us to change the course of our life. Siyempre, paano natin magagawa na mabago yung direksyon ng buhay natin? Of course, we need to be really committed in changing our ways, our activities, our actions. Whatever we're doing, we need to be committed to change our ways para mabago yung course ng life natin. Sabi nga, kung wala tayong babaguhin, wala tayong may expect na mangyayaring bago sa buhay natin. So let us be committed to changing our ways because there are a lot of opportunities na hindi pa natin nakikita dahil hindi natin sinusubukan yung mga bagong dapat natin ginagawa sa buhay natin. Always remember that you are capable. Always remember that you are able. Kasama natin ng Lord. He gave us the ability, the strength, the courage for us to overcome every obstacles and challenges in life. Kung nagkamali man tayo ngayon, let's not condemn ourselves, but instead forgive ourselves, forgive people, forgive everyone kung mayroong mga bagay na maling nagawa sa atin, may mga mali tayong nagawa. Forgive others, forgive ourselves, because that's one way we can move forward towards the goals that we want to achieve in life. Always remember that you are deserving. God bless you.